Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video marks the beginning of the week number 53 in this Road to 100k Realized Return Challenge. And again, like it happened many times already before, markets began in their pre-trading going up, probably or most likely following up the news that the US and the European Union reached what they say is a trade agreement, even though, of course, it remains to be seen the final details because whatever it was agreed upon still lacks the final outcomes of the actual deal. Let's see if this charges up correctly. All right. So, and the markets began the day by going up. But as you can see right here, there was a large gap, right? So the markets finished last Friday here, they opened right here, but it has been coming down since, and even though we basically went ahead and we sold 12 puts with a 224 strike price, the probability of profit at the time was around 80%, but going further down, going to the 223 strike price would give us a very, very low premium, so it was simply not worth to pursue. Now we are at the point in time in which we are facing the possibility of having these puts assigned to us, so we may be forced to buy the shares. The puts are still out of the money, so if they stay where they stand right now, we'll keep our money available and the puts will expire worthless, but we are at the risk of having these puts assigned to us. But yeah, there's nothing we can do now. We'll have to wait and see if the stock recovers. We will be able to probably go to the QQQ and sell some additional puts. But yeah, I was at the beginning of the day, I was already thinking, well, perhaps I should have kept the shares over the weekend so that we could sell at a profit. But no, there was no such thing. The markets came down immediately after the session opened, which is, of course, is quite strange. But yeah, this is where we stand at the moment. Regardless of the situation, because we are not going to buy back those puts, we will be able to make profit on these calls of around $340 something. If we buy these back, not counting the commissions, we will make around 330. So it's good for a single day. But yeah, we will have to wait and see what's going to happen. Pfizer went basically the same way. Pre-market went up, but now he's coming tumbling down back to the now support 24.50. So yeah, very calm. There's nothing else to do. Our buying power is mostly consumed by this point. I don't see, I may be wrong, but I don't see any other opportunities worth taking for these additional 3,000 euros that we have. Perhaps I could see other ETFs, but at this moment in time, I simply don't see any of those. So yeah, it's just a matter of just seeing what happens with these puts and see what we can do the next day if either we continue to sell puts or we will have to sell some calls because we were assigned. And yeah, feel free to leave your comments in the comment section down below. Also, I'm also available on LinkedIn in case you want to send me any messages. And of course, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we'll reconvene at the end of the week to see how the trades panned out. And yeah, I'll see you there.